Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at the market site in Times Square, we have John Cherry. He's the Global Head of Options at Northern Trust Capital Markets. We're going to take a look at industry trends, market structure, and the Northern Trust Options Desk. John, it's great to have you with us at MarketSite. And one of the trends that we're seeing is increasing use of index options. As an example, the Nasdaq 100.
Yep, so we see oftentimes with our institutional clients, asset owners and asset managers, trading index options a lot more frequently. It's certainly been a growing trend both with foundations, endowments, and public funds, in addition to your kind of general asset manager clients.
Why do you think there's an increase in index options?
A couple reasons. Covered call overlays tend to be quite popular. You have a diversified portfolio and you're using short call options as a means to increase basis points on an annualized basis. Congruently, looking at hedging, tactical hedging strategies for both asset owners and asset managers on a tactical basis as well.
All right, let's talk about options market structure, because that is one area of the business that is constantly evolving minute to minute.
Yes, so 16 options exchanges we have today, all with varying maker-taker fees for market participants, both on the customer side and on the market maker side. It's certainly an interesting dynamic. I'm not so certain that we need 16 of them, but to the ability that it's important for investors to understand how the structure works and operates, and kind of how we think about it is being an agent-only broker-dealer. Dealing in listed and flex options, doing nothing OTC, it's increasingly important to understand where to execute, how, and why.
Well, I would imagine that fragmentation can be challenging.
Very much so, not only in price discovery, but also in liquidity.
All right, what are you seeing in terms of improvements, though, with options market structure? There's got to be some bright spots.
You know, I'm actually a big fan of the regulation that we do have in place today for the options market. I'd also think the OCC, I'm a firm believer the OCC as its central counterparty and CCP member is extremely important to the marketplace.
All right, let's play some inside baseball here and learn more about the Northern Trust Options Desk.
Yep, so we're a team of 7. We are, again, an agent-only options team. We service clients both in strategy, implementation, and trading of our strategies that we talk to with our clients, all in a self-directed manner. It's an institutional team, so again, we service the institutional asset owners and managers through the type of solutions that they have.
All right, now this is options only, your desk.
That's correct.
All right, and why keep it separate from other types of asset classes? Is it just specialization for custom strategies for your clients?
Well, what's interesting from a Northern standpoint, I appreciate the question, is the reason we chose to break out from under equities was because it is a standalone team. The way that we look to complement the other Northern businesses that that our clients have makes it such that we can work in a high-touch manner with these institutional clients and help them achieve their goals.
All right, thanks so much for joining us at MarketSite. And thank you for joining me on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.